Hi there. My name is Sophia Fakoya, and I'm the Senior Operations Manager at Conqueror Consulting Group. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to create an online form in DonorPerfect. Whether you are building a donation page, event registration form, or general interest form, let's get started. So the first thing we want to do is to go to our online form. So from the main dashboard here, which is the home page, we can see the home, constituent, add new, receipt, mailings, reports, tasks, utilities, apps, and resources. So we'll click on apps. When we click on apps, we'll click on online forms. So it takes us to a different page entirely. Then we'll just click on OK. Then we'll click on add form. So when we open our online form, we'll see different kind of forms there. We can see the donation forms here. We can see the sign up and survey forms here. We can see the event forms here, and we can see the membership forms here. So but today I'm going to walk you through the donation form, and we'll just be creating a single donation form, and we'll be using the single donation templates. But in this form section, I'm going to explain what each of these form does. So basically, the single donation form is an online donation form. We use this when we want to collect donation. We don't use this in collecting event registration, membership, or merchandise. The only thing we use this is for collection of donation. But for the multi donation form, this form is used to collect more than just donation. We use it to collect donations, event registrations, membership renewals, ticket purchases, merchandise like t-shirt. Then for the crowdfunding form, this is a peer-to-peer fundraising. So this form allows supporters to create their own fundraising pages, donors to share with friends and family. There's an individual fundraising goal. So basically, this gives donors opportunity to create their own fundraising goal, and they also share with their friends and family. Then the next one is the Giving Tuesday form. This is a seasonal template, is a seasonal form designed specifically for Giving Tuesday campaigns. It's used for year-end appeals. So all these are just pre-designed layouts we can customize. So since I said earlier that we'll be creating a single donation form, so I'll click on use this template. So you just have to choose maybe the payment option if you want them to donate to credit card or check, then whatever currency that you'll be using. Then the other options, recurring and one time, you can turn one off if you only want recurring donors. But if you want both, you just click on recurring, you check the box, then you make sure that you name your donation form. So for this donation form, I'll be using save an individual. So I'll finish the setup. So we can see here that it says, congratulations, your form is now active. Your form has successfully been created using these single donations. So this is the link to the form. You can just keep this somewhere, but we'll click on continue to form to customize our form. So for the customization, we'll have to you can see here it says your logo or image. So we want to put in our logo here, or image, whatever image that you would like to be on your donation form. So I'll click on replace, then you drop image. So now that I've uploaded my image, the next thing I want to do is to add a caption to the image. So for the caption, I'll just use save an individual today. Then after that, I just save this. So that's that. But if you have any other thing that you want to include on the donation form or the page header, you can always include it in this section. Then after that, we go to the page footer. So we have a default page footer. So we can either use the default footer or use a custom footer. So for here, I'll just use a custom footer and just say thank you for saving an individual to, today. Then that's it. Then I'll save it. Then I'll preview the page. So we can see here, and if you would like to dedicate the donation, so we can see you can see you collect the billing address, you collect everything, and this is the footer. Thank you for saving an individual today. That's that. Then if you click on next, okay, we can't click on next because the information is missing, but that's it. So if it's a recurring donation, we can monthly. So and also if this is, so this is a custom made amount for any for a donor. So if the donor's payment option is not here, we can just the donor can include it here. So that's that on how to create a a donation page in DonorPerfect. So and also a well-built form does not only just collect donations, it helps support clean reporting, better segmentation, and a stronger donor experience. If you found this helpful, stay tuned for more practical tutorials on building smarter CRMs. Thank you for watching.